that?
Perfect.
All right.
Oh, you're sitting on one blanket.
Oh,
Okay.
so who are you?
I'm the Brit. Okay. I'm Kim.
And I'm Mike. She's the beauty.
He's the Brit.
Yes.
Got
Got it.
that right.
And what are we doing here, Kim?
So we together have this channel called Beauty and the Brit. And we thought it would be fun just to talk about like things that we like to do,
Indeed.
right?
Yes.
We are married and we are a family of hobbyists. So he likes electronics and I like crochet and knitting.
Right.
Together we like to travel.
Yep. So we've got plenty of things to cover in this channel. It's
So much.
It's a bit of a mishmash, to be fair.
A little bit of a mishmash. So we have playlists that you can subscribe to. But if you like unboxings of yarn, I do a lot of that. If you like...
We do have a lot of yarn. Not gonna lie, that's a problem in this household. Not enough room, a lot of yarn.
So he's also doing some woodworking. So he's going to expand and build a bigger house.
I don't
Build a room
think that's on the plan. Nobody told me about that in the running notes. Okay, show us some crochet or knitting or something.
So I crochet. Yeah. So I like color. I'm all about color.
Yes.
I am the color in his crayon box.
And I'm the string to her kite.
That's
because
right.
she has these crazy ideas and sometimes she needs to be kept in check.
Honed in. I am the color in his crayon box. I am the chartreuse, the ultraviolet, the fuchsia in his crayon box. Before he met me,
Yes.
he was gray and black and white.
And I'm the anchor around your feet, the chain.
Stifle of my creativity.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. All right. But so I will do some creative crochet projects. I'll be doing some DIYs and some reviews of patterns and yarns and things like that. So anything having to do with yarn and fiber and things that are nice and soft.
I, on the other hand, don't do those things. I cover a completely different spectrum of stuff. I'm a home brewer. I'm an electronics guy by trade. So I am going to be doing some videos around electronics with displays, microcontrollers, some software, how to get going, how to get started. Maybe brewing some beer, we'll see if that works out. Maybe some hydroponics. There's so many subjects that we could cover. But we're going to start off with without getting too crazy and see where we go.
And we like to travel. And we live in Southern California. So we also thought
San Diego.
And so we thought it would be fun to introduce our friends or people who we would like for to be our friends, anybody basically, about San Diego and the fun things to do in San Diego.
That's right. It's one of the most popular holiday destinations in the world. And we live here, so when you live somewhere, you never typically go and enjoy what it has to offer. So we thought it would be a good idea to make these videos and go and find out about the place where we live and introduce it to some of you that might want to come and see it as well. So hopefully that works out.
That's right.
Yep.
And we do some other travel. You might see us somewhere else in the globe.
Yes, we've got California trips coming up to
Paso Robles.
Paso Robles, where we're going to go and see Stone Brewing, Firestone, not Stone Brewing.
Lots
that's
of
local.
wineries.
Lots of wineries. We're going to go to Italy next year. Southern France is on the agenda. England probably.
He's got relatives in England. Now I have relatives
the Brit
in England.
thing. You have relatives in England too? Well, yeah, relatives-in-law. Yeah.
And we like food. We're big foodies. So we do videos on food as well.
Yeah, but we're not going to try and get too many topics to start with. We're going to keep it fairly small and, like I say, see where it takes us.
Yeah. So, if you like electronics, like and subscribe. If you like crochet and projects and DIYs, like and subscribe.
Yeah.
If you like food.
And travel.
Well, and travel. Like and subscribe.
Yes.
Anything else?
And if you don't like any of those things,
be nice. Like and subscribe.
Probably this isn't the place to be.
We like you.
We like you all.
We do.
So far.
And we have fun. And
that's the plan.
Hopefully you'll like us.
Anyway,
All right.
Thanks for watching. Hope you
it.
enjoy the channel.
Beauty and the Brit. Like and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.